really doing well. Welcome back to once again channel. So this is some sort of you already read the thumbnail and glimpse that, guys. Today I'm going to share one of the most awesome product, and this video especially for all the women staying at home and not able to go to any parlor. So this is one of the product I got yesterday only from I ordered there. And guys, let me tell you that I also didn't knew about this product. This product name is Bombay Saving Company. So product name is Bombay Saving Company, and I got it from Amazon. I also didn't knew about this product. I saw somewhere in reels in the Instagram, then I got it. Then I thought, why don't I share, because it's one of the awesome products. All the women's not sitting I will tell, but not able to go to any parlor, since women's having hair on their faces, upper lips, and between your eyebrows, and you won't be able to remove. You have to go to there for threading. So let me tell you, it's look like this, and it comes under 300 somewhat. Yeah, from Amazon I got it. I will put the link in the description, guys. Please guys, go and once you check it out. And I'll mention that also. It's removing the hairs and your ears, everything. It's one of the best products, and guys, I won't be recommending you. I would not have recommended if it wouldn't be good, because I used it today, and guys, it gives such a best best result I got. So after getting it, at the back side of that packet, there is uses as written. Go through by that. Still, I'm telling you, clean your face cleanly with your water, cold water, then apply aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very important, because it clearly mentioned that cleanse your face, apply aloe vera gel to add a protective layer and allow the razor to glide smoothly. So you should go like, I can't show now, but you have to use it very smoothly. Clean your face properly, wipe it, then use aloe vera gel. With that, on that, you have to apply this one. You have to allow the razor to glide it. So guys, remember, go through the uses properly, then only apply it. But guys, let me tell you, this is one of the best products, because right now in this situation you can't go anywhere outside. So all the women out here, solution is here, because I was also finding out like you can't do those who are professionally, those who have learned beauty parlors, they can do eyebrows, but I can't take it especially. So I was searching for it, and guys, I got it. Best result, guys. Please go through. I will put the link in the description box, and it's like minimum. Like if I'll tell the with the sort of price, बहुत ही अच्छा प्राइस रहता है, बहुत ही अच्छा. 300 पे 3 सेट देते हैं. ऐसे आपको 3 सेट मिल जाएगी इसी के पैकेट के अंदर. आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड वंस एंड अनदर 2 आर देयर. सो आई थिंक प्राइस के हिसाब से बेस्ट है, यूज़ है. बट यूज़ करने से पहले, जैसे मैं बोली, इसके पीछे यूजर्स लिखी गई है. आप गो थ्रू कीजिए अच्छे से, देन ओनली यू विल अप्लाई, देन यू अप्लाई. अदरवाइज but you can't use anything after. And another very important, after completing this procedure, everything, don't forget to apply moisturizer. Whatever moisturizer you are using it, just go through, just use moisturizer, because it will keep your face hydrated and balance your skin after razor treatment. So very important is that after doing the razor, just apply moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you are using it, and you will get the best result. Right now you can see, guys, if I will show you the result. If I see, you can see there. No, I can't but I'm telling you that I got the best results, so I will of course recommend you guys. So thought of doing a short clips video on this product. So coming with very interesting video from tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned for it. See you in the next video. Till that, namaste. Stay safe, stay at home, and hope so do well and keep doing hard work. Bye bye. See you in the next video.